Yo, what's going, guys? And today we are gonna be roasting Elite Stop. So yeah, if you've never seen my face before, now you have. Put in the comments I've subscribed and follow me on Facebook. So yeah, let's get to this. We're gonna watch him. So we're gonna see what happens.
Yo, Josh, you really need to brush your teeth.
Says the one who has donkey teeth, Christ's sake.
They smell like donkey breath.
Says the one who has donkey breath.
You drank fizzy pop. No, you did not.
He doesn't even know what he's saying. So what's the point making the diss track? It's not even deadly.
Didn't brush your teeth. You also keep your teeth because you're a nerd. The nerd from primary school.
What's wrong being a nerd? That means you're clever, for Christ's sake.
And you think you're smart, but you don't. No one likes you because your breath stinks.
Why does he keep repeating that? That is just so weird.
You cry when you fall. You can't spell.
Put in the comments if everyone in the world cries when they fall over. I even cry when I fall over, and I'm fucking in high school still.
You didn't complete GD. You use your stupid baby hat, tire small thing. You outlet, Cora, over to you. Your teeth look like squash poo.
Weirdo.
Go, sucker peanuts. Lick a lady's bum. This will hold you down. Josh, back to you. Remember what I said. That's it. Time to beat. You look like a squash slug. You take.
You probably don't know what a squash slug looks like, so.
50 years to go to school. You'll never pass your stats. You'll get an F minus. You'll never be a good brother. You make Holly cry.
I'm actually stronger on the world, so.
You cry when you fall on your feet. You'll never be a good seller. Come and make a diss track on me. And show your lame to your fans. On your second latest video, turn on your bloody mic. Peace.
That is so cringe. Wow. So guys, that's the end of the video. So, goodbye.